Transparency Icon Pack is a popular Android application designed to enhance the visual aesthetics of app icons on users' devices by offering a unique, transparent design style. This icon pack features a wide array of meticulously crafted icons that seamlessly blend into various backgrounds, allowing for a clean and modern look. The transparent elements create a distinctive effect, enabling users to showcase their wallpapers while maintaining a polished interface. Compatible with numerous popular launchers such as Nova and Apex, Transparency Icon Pack allows for easy installation and customization, providing users with a simple way to elevate their home screen experience. In addition to the icons, the pack often includes matching wallpapers and diverse customization options, allowing users to create a cohesive theme on their devices. With regular updates and a user-friendly design, Transparency Icon Pack is ideal for those looking to personalize their Android smartphones or tablets with a sleek and contemporary aesthetic, making it a sought-after choice among users who appreciate style and functionality.